Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. In fact, the past few days have been very nice moves, but especially today, I don't think anybody would really disagree with that. Everyone would agree, yeah, good solid move. But that does bring up the question, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts. It makes things very straightforward. And that level is here at, we'll call it 8.5 cents. Why is 8.5 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true strength is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 8.5 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see. If a price movement is genuinely powerful, genuinely strong, it's going to be making progress in the upwards direction. Now, ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above the 10-cent mark, that would be the best case scenario. But I'm not saying that if the price does drop below 10 cents that everything's ruined or anything like that, because again, still do have 8.5 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit more. There we go. Is that where the price got rejected from today? I'm curious. Almost, but 12 cents going to be the next key level. If you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see 12 cents knocked down the price there, knocked down the price there. And price got relatively close to it today, but not quite. But regardless, 12 cents, public enemy number one going into the next week. Anyway, you slice it though, very nice day today. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.